In this session, we're going to learn how to add menu items onto our top nav or our front page navigation bar. In addition, we'll teach you how to add menu items that are nested under our main menus here on the top nav. So we'll begin by moving to the dashboard using the upper left-hand corner navigation here in WordPress. We'll go to Appearance and we'll go to Menus. So here's the page we use to edit our menu on our home page. The first thing you need to do is select a menu to edit, choose Top Nav, which we already have, and then click Select so that you're sure that the menu structure that you're working with is here in the menu name called Top Nav. As I scroll down, you'll see how this menu is structured. And after we look at this, I'll delete these and show you how to do it from scratch. Our home button at the very left is a custom link, which is just the URL of our WordPress website. And then the rest of these, the video tutorials, the webinars, the upcoming classes, and the training needs surveys are all pages. The drop-down items under webinars are also pages, these sub-items. So what we're going to do is, from scratch, build the custom link for our home page, build these four main buttons: video tutorials, webinars, upcoming classes, and training needs survey, and then we'll go in and add our sub-items to the webinars menu. The way to delete an item on your menu is to choose this little arrow at the very right and then click remove. So I just did that to the home page, and I'll now do it to all the other pages as well. So here we have the menu structure for our top nav, which is the navigation bar we're building today. I've deleted all items here. Over here on the left, pages, posts, forms, links, and categories are what you use to build your menu items. So let's begin. We're going to start with just one custom link, which is that beginning home link. So I'll go to Custom Links. Now for the URL, I'll go up here to my actual site, and I'll right-click and choose Copy. I'll go back to my menu item under Custom Links, and I'll paste in the URL for the main website, the home page of our website, and then under Link Text, I'll type in Home. And then I'll click Add to Menu, and we have our first menu item, Home or Custom Link. I'll then click Save Menu, and then I'll go to my Visit Site option, and we now have the Home button and nothing else here on the Home page navigation bar. Let's go back to the dashboard and continue building items. We'll go to Appearance and Menus. Now that's the only custom link on that nav bar. The rest of our links are all pages. So we'll use this Pages section and click the little arrow to show us our pages. This is the View All section, and I'm quickly going to add the other four main buttons, which are webinars, video tutorials, upcoming classes, and training needs survey. And then I'll click Add to Menu, and then I'll have 5 buttons on my menu. Now these are currently in alphabetical order, which I don't want. I actually want these in the order that they're most likely to be used. So we'll start with our home button, but after that I want the video tutorials button, which is the most used button on the site. The next will be the webinars button. We'll put the upcoming classes next, and then we'll leave training needs survey there on the right. I'll now click Save Menu, and we'll go to our Visit Site option. And we now have our 5 menu items. Our next step is to build the sub-menu items for webinars. So now let's add our sub-menu items, which will be web design, video and audio, software and apps, online tools, graphic design, and cloud storage. I'll then click Add to Menu, and they show up at the bottom of the menu. The way I add these as sub-items to webinars is to take them one at a time and drag them under the webinars button and then over so that they're a sub-item. And you'll see that you did it correctly because it'll say sub-item just after the name of your page. So I'll do this with the other ones. I'll drag them in the order I want them. And we now have all the items we want as sub-items under that webinars section: cloud storage, graphic design, online tools, software and apps, video and audio, and web design. I'll click Save Menu, and then I'll use the Visit Site option, and we see that our menu is built, including our sub-items.